Hello everybody, welcome to another update on the stock screener. In this episode, I wanted to talk about Nova Royalty Corp, which had a very nice run up since it IPO'd in October. Now, the question is, when do you sell? That's the big question here, because this is going higher and higher and there's no stopping here, but we need to know when to sell. So how do we do that? So this is a royalty company, so all of these earnings that will come in later on when these mines go in production will be pure earnings that come in. Okay, so they have no costs. Those are pure earnings. Maybe some taxes, administration costs, but let's say that those cash flows that come in are pure. So what do? We go to their website and look at all those projects. So I've done that for you. So today we have a market cap of $200 million US. It has gone up a bit, but let's talk about all of these projects. So we have the Nueva Union, then we have the Taka Taka, Dumont, Twin Metals, Wollaston Copper, and there are also a lot of exploration plays as well. But I don't count those in this calculation. But let's go over each one of those. So Nueva Union is in feasibility study stage, so it's not in production yet, and it has copper. So we took these prices here. Copper price 8,000 tons, gold 1850, molybdenum, cobalt, and nickel. And okay, so this one has an NSR of 0.4%. So we do the production, we calculate the copper price with it, calculate the royalty payment, and we get revenue of 6 million per annum for this project. Okay, so for Taka Taka, we have the same here. We have copper, gold, and molybdenum, and we have a NSR of 0.4%. So that gives us 10 million per annum. So this is going to be a larger revenue generator than this one, but this is only in PEA stage. So they still need to do feasibility study. Then we have the Dumont. This is in construction phase. So this will probably come online faster. And this has the nickel and cobalt and NSR of 0.4%. This will give 4 million. So this is lower than this and also lower than this. Then the twin metals with copper and nickel gives around 2 million per annum, which is also not in production yet. This one is in drilling phase, so we don't have anything here. So if you calculate this and sum everything up, then we get the total revenue potential of 20 million per year. And let's add a PE multiple of, let's say 10. Then we get a valuation of 200 million. But the market cap is already at 200 million. So I think Nova Royalty is fairly valued at this moment. If we look at these numbers, we could add a little bit more because their mines are very big. They have 30 years of mine life. But I think a PE of 10 is good enough to value this. Now, you are of course buying Nova Royalty because of the nice management and also because copper and nickel will be going higher. By the way, if you calculate this, you will notice that nickel is around 20% of this company and copper the other 80%. So this is really a copper nickel play. So if nickel will go up, and I'm sure it will go up, and copper will go up, then also the valuation price will go up, and then the market cap will go up with that. So you're actually now playing the rise in copper and nickel. But I'm not saying that this is undervalued at this moment. I think it's fairly valued, and that's what I'm saying here. So I hope this will give you some insight on whether to buy Nova Royalty, yes or no, at this peak here. You can decide. I hope you liked this video, and I'll see you next time.